Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning and reorganizing my fridge. I do normally wipe the shelves down in my fridge when I go through it on grocery shopping day, but today I'm doing a full deep clean and then I'm going to organize everything in the little containers. But first of all, I'm just going to make sure that I wash them all out and just make sure that everything is super clean. But before I can start on the fridge, I am just quickly giving all of the surfaces a wipe down. I like to make sure that they're all nice and clear because obviously I'm going to be putting everything on there to dry. So this video will be in sections. Obviously, first it will be a bit of a declutter of the fridge, making sure everything's nice and clean as I just explained. And then when my food shop arrives, I'm going to organize everything back in there nice and neat. So I'm just wiping down the benches with a cloth and my Method spray in wild rhubarb. It smells so good. Now I'm taking a garbage bag to empty any of the out of dates into, and any of the food that's still good will go onto the bench for now. It makes it so much easier to store everything in these clear plastic containers because you can still see exactly what you have. Also, if anything spills, it's much easier to take out one of these rather than emptying the whole shelf to clean it. I got all of my containers either from Kmart or the Reject Shop. As you can see, I haven't wiped the top shelf down yet. I'm just about to, but I thought I would show you. It's not like any leakages or anything. It's just so much easier to take out a small container and wash it than having to remove the entire shelf. So to actually clean the inside of the fridge, I just use any soft dishcloth with a gentle detergent in warm water. I like to empty and clean the fridge from the top down because if you start at the bottom and any crumbs fall down, you'll just have to clean it all over again. A really good tip is to do this deep clean right when you're due for a food shop because there will be much less food to take out of the fridge. Also, I'm not sure if you could see them, but I have been using reusable Ziploc bags. I actually got a whole set from Amazon. I have one I've just popped on the bench there, a couple actually, and they are really, really good. I would highly recommend. I'm just washing out all of the clear containers with dish soap and warm water. Usually I would let them sit to dry, but because I have a food shop arriving today, I'm actually drying them with a clean tea towel. Time to rearrange all of my clear containers back into the fridge. I don't label them because you can already see what's inside and the contents change so frequently. And now that all of my containers are in, I can just start putting the food back that I already have so that it stays nice and cool. I actually find if I put my lettuce and spinach leaves into a container with a lid, they stay fresh for so much longer. Cleaning out the vegetable crisper drawers is my least favorite job, but they do get lots of bits in them, especially from onions. I need a container for the onions so that I don't have to constantly wash all the little bits out. I actually do have a glass Pyrex container, so I'm thinking I might use that just for the time being. Also, am I the only one who keeps onions and potatoes in the fridge? Oh, nothing to see here, just found a random rice cracker. Wonder how long that was in there for. Just gonna use my old Pyrex dish for now because the lid is starting to get broken. And moving on to the giant drawer of cheese and cold meats down the bottom of the fridge, I feel like this area actually catches all of the crumbs. I find it so difficult to take this drawer out, so I'm just giving it a wipe over. It's actually not too bad this time, so it'll be fine. And last but not least, it's time to do the doors. They're actually quite clean already, but I'm still emptying them out and cleaning them and getting rid of any out of dates. Again, I do this top to bottom just in case there's a spill or any crumbs. It just makes life so much easier. I do like to take the individual shelves out of the doors as well. They're actually quite easy to remove. I can go and give them a wash in the sink and wipe in behind them, where I find sometimes you can get things spilt in the fridge and you might not be able to get to it, but if you take the shelf out, it's really quite easy to clean. And all done, clean fridge tour. This is before all of my food shop has arrived, but I will definitely show you a food shop haul and then the final result, which I am very much looking forward to at this point. Okay, so it is 4:30 now and the food shop has just arrived. Usually it comes like on the earlier side of the time slot, but that's okay. It gave me more than enough time to get the fridge all nice and tidy. So I'll show you everything I got in this week's food shop. Just got some baby spinach, salad leaf mix, a broccoli, 2 punnets of strawberries, punnet of tomatoes, blueberries, just a big tomato for Kyle's BLT, the tiniest red capsicum that I've seen in my life, some avocados, superfood stir fry mix. I really like this one, and I just add like a few mushrooms and some onion and whatever else is laying around in the fridge at the time. Got some frozen mixed veggies so that I can make some fried rice for Kyle. We've got this boysenberry twist yogurt. I did actually order the blueberry, but unfortunately it was out of stock, so this was the substitute. Got more of these baby cheeses, some bananas, a few yogurt pouches because Kyle likes taking these to work. His favorite peri peri chicken. He loves this in toasties or just like sandwiches. Got some organic free range eggs. We've got some meat-free sausages. I've never actually tried these ones, but I got them because they are gluten-free and you can also cook them in a pan. Our oven recently blew up like 2 or 3 days ago, so I just have to buy things at the moment that can be cooked on the stove top, or I don't know, we might try a couple of things on the barbecue, but yeah, these ones don't have to be cooked in the oven, so that's why I got those to try. Nuttalex, brown rice and quinoa spaghetti pasta. This is like my favorite gluten-free one. Love it. Also got this other like gluten-free, and this is a rice pasta as well. Those are really yummy, always handy to have, and we had pretty much run out. Kyle's favorite gluten-free Carmen's cereal. Got myself some oat milk. This is the best one. I haven't found one that tastes better than this yet. And almond milk for Kyle. He says that this brand is his favorite. Some instant hot chocolate, because when I was doing the online food shop yesterday, I was craving hot chocolate. Got this plant-based vegetable stock. Some gluten-free white bread, salted caramel and coconut bliss balls, some brown rice, and caramel 12 bites. Now that everything for the fridge is put away, there's just one more job left to do. Before I show you inside, I'm just going to give the front of the fridge a quick wipe down. I like to leave that until very last, because that way you're not using wet hands to open and close the doors and leave marks on there. So I'm going to quickly do that now, go over the top with a microfiber, and then we'll do like a bit of a fridge tour. And there we go, nice and shiny. Let's do a what's in my fridge. I think I just want to move these jars down here first of all. That looks way better. Alright, so the very top shelf has all of our dairy products and eggs, and maybe some sneaky chocolate back there as well. The next shelf is pretty much all yogurt and fruit, then obviously vegetables in the crisper drawers, all of our cold meats and cheeses in the bottom drawer there, and here is an overview of the entire organized, sparkly, clean fridge. I am so happy. It took basically all day, but it is so worth it. And this is the end result. I really hope that you enjoyed deep cleaning and organizing my fridge with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.